guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and you'll notice behind me that the truck is not in the garage, and that's something that I need to talk about today. You'll notice that the Infiniti is sitting over there where the truck is, or where the truck usually is. The truck was here, it's gone. My wife's out running some errands in it. She's driving the truck right now because we are having some issues with the Infiniti. Now, I don't want to go into too much detail about that because I'm trying to work out those issues with a local dealer here. I don't want to say too much about it until we get that fully worked out. So I will say that the Infiniti might be going away and we might be getting another new vehicle for us, and it's been causing me a lot of anxiety this week, a lot of unknowns of what's going to happen, what's going to get taken care of. So stay tuned for that. You will notice that the Viper's still in the garage. Got a couple dog beds on the hood. We've had some interest in it and no real major bites on it yet, but if you missed that last video, the Viper is up for sale. So brings me back to what videos we're going to be making. You know, I have plans to do the 0 to 60 video on the truck, we have those burnout tires over there on the side of the house. But with this whole issue with the Infiniti, it wouldn't be very wise of me to go out and beat on the truck and potentially break it while we're kind of in this limbo period with vehicles, because, oh yeah, the Armada sold. So that's a bit of good news for us. The Armada's gone. First person to come and look at it bought it. It was so clean and nice. But right now, the truck is our only transportation. So I apologize for not getting those fun videos out to you, but we gotta wait till we have another ride for my wife before we jump into those videos. So I appreciate your patience with that. But it is Friday. Hope you guys are having a great week heading into the weekend. Another announcement is I got new Grandpa Truck stickers. These were designed by a friend of mine, Greg. You can follow him at Wool and Snow, and then they were printed and cut by Vinyl Tie, who does all my vinyl cutting, and now he can do printed cuts as well. And I have one on the truck, and if you follow me on Instagram, I posted a picture of it on there. But I'll show you guys a picture of the sticker on the truck. It looks really funny. I really love it. It's such a perfect little caricature, I guess you would call it, of Gramps. While we're waiting for the truck to get back to show you that, I've not forgotten about the engine build down at Samson Racing. I have the forged crank sitting over there in the corner. I do have a bit of news on the new engine block. We are no longer using the junkyard block. We're gonna go pick that one back up. We do have another one that I'm excited to show you guys. When we take the crank down there to Samson Racing, we'll take a look at the new block and everything that came with it. That engine build is going to be super crazy. I'm really excited how it's coming together. We got the pistons on order. We already have pistons, rings, bearings. We got race bearings. So yeah, that one's coming together. We're ready to rock and roll on it. Jake's waiting for me to drop that crank off. It's just been so busy that I haven't had a chance to get it down there. So I'll be sure to bring you guys with me when we run down there. So here's my forged crank sitting here next to that cast crank that came with my block, and I did a video going over the differences between the two. But the forged crank has already been balanced. You can see the welding there where it's was balanced in the past. You can see that the oil holes kind of have this teardrop shape to them versus the oil holes on this one, they're just straight holes. That is not stock, but that's to help with oiling. So that's kind of an added bonus with that forged crank. So we'll get that down to the machine shop, get it to Jake, and when we take it down there, I'll be sure to go over everything else and the process of that. So I hope you guys are as excited for that build as I am. That's gonna go into Gramps, and then we gotta decide what we're gonna do with transmission. You guys let me know in the comments down below. Should we put it in, see what the 4R70W will take, or should we go straight to building a 4R100 and whatever it takes to swap over to one of those? A built 4R100 would have to be something out of like a, they do come in some of the trucks, but most of the time they come in the Expeditions. So we can still retain the four-wheel drive, but it's going to take a little bit of modification, I believe, to the cross member and the torsion bars, but don't quote me on that. Haven't quite looked into that all the way yet. All right, here comes the truck right now. Costco run.
Hey, video? Hi.
Yeah.
Got mine too.
Oh, Cade's all set. So there's the grandpa truck sticker on the back of the truck. You can see it's cut. It's not a white background. It's, I don't know what you'd call it, but it's cut out along the edges of Gramps, so. It's a pretty fun sticker there. If you guys are interested in one of those, be sure to message me. I'll put my email down below. You can email me if you want one of those. Greg and Ty did a great job of helping me get those put together. I did do a limited run of only 20 of those right now. 2 of them are gone already. One of them went to Greg because he really had a lot of fun designing that one, so I sent one over to him. The first purchase was just today. I just announced it late last night. Huge thank you to our buddy Mo from Boosted Minneapolis. Be sure to go check out his channel as well. We got that sticker and a couple others headed his way, so thank you, Mo, for that. Okay. Hiya.
Hi.
Alright guys, well I think that about brings us up to speed for today. Think about doing some more of these update videos. Maybe we talk about current car events. Maybe we can talk about current events in the truck and car community. Tell me what you guys think about that. Is that something you'd be interested in? Posting videos on updates on things like the new Raptor or the Bronco or 10th gen news or just stuff like that. We can do more videos where we just chat and open discussion and dialogue about that kind of stuff. So let me know what you think about that in the comments down below. But I'm gonna help unload the Costco haul here. It is pizza and movie night tonight, so I encourage you guys, if you have kids, to develop some of those traditions. It's a lot of fun. Make sure you take time to spend time with those kiddos, because that's family time's ultra important to me, and makes a big difference in your kids' lives. So that's about gonna do it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys have a great weekend. Thank you so much for watching. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like the video, and I'll talk to you guys next time.